Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have a Tesla, 2016 Model S, and we've got some leaks in here. I've already taken out the frunk to investigate. Come on in and we'll show you what we found. Okay, so we had a low coolant error. Easiest thing to do is pull the front tub and see where it's leaking from. You can see there's a whole bunch of pumps here and fluids there. What we can notice in the back here is a big puddle of blue liquid. Not windshield washer fluid, that's the antifreeze. Right there, the puddle. See the shine? There you go. There you go, there's a nice shot of it. So that's leaking. Let's change out the part. It's called a quad valve, okay? So this is a change up. There's a couple differences. This is now rotated. You can see the bolt pattern. It's missing some bolts there. Same manufacturer, Ranco. $100 currently at your local Tesla dealer. Costs more if you buy it used, but these are a failure point. It looks, I bet you, when we take it apart, we'll show you. Okay, let's swap this out. So there's a little plastic clip on the bottom. And there we go. Oh yeah, now you can see the liquid inside there. That's a sealed unit and there's liquid in there. That's not good. And there's two Torxes there. Right here. Let's take this off. Now you gotta make sure the car is powered off first, otherwise one of these pumps could turn on and really have a bad day. I washed it. There we go, pull that out. And all right. I'm just gonna get out of here. Okay, so let's now I don't have hose clamp pliers. Yeah, so they basically do non-marring. And squeeze. There we go. So if I had the proper hose clamp pliers, then they would just kind of lock in to those little clips there. And come on. Come on. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There we go. Okay. Bring these slips back down. And hoses looked fine. Go.
You didn't see any cracks.
No, there's no cracking or anything like that.
That's just the
And the leaks were coming from inside, so. Yeah. Okay, let's back in. And then we'll fill up the reservoir. Yeah, you should never have to fill that unless you have a leak. And that's what I did. Have a leak. Which wasn't very good, so. There you go. Yeah, it's leaking from there. And pour it into there. Cool. Now, let's go find some fluid.
This is the good stuff.
Well, this stuff here is the G-48 formula, and you can see the word Tesla on board. See? So, all we got to do and there we go. I filled this up once already before I could get the part, because middle of nowhere, couldn't get the part for a while. So basically, that's how you change the quad valve on a Tesla Model S. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see what I break next, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.